Hi, my name's Mark Lenton. I'm an innovation consultant working for SRO Solutions. On behalf of our partner ecosystem, I'm very excited to be providing this end-to-end smart asset management narrative into our SEEDS 2020 submission. Our supporting partners shown are carefully drawn from working within a wide number of sectors, such as industrial, construction, healthcare, utilities, education, offshore and maritime, because they typically lead the way in their field, offering open and interoperable capabilities, often making them unique in their field. Bringing innovative transferable capabilities and skills from one sector to another is crucial to ensure best-in-class solutions are developed and delivered, and we strongly believe that overall collaboration sits at the heart of ensuring clients get to meet their desired outcomes. For the purposes of this presentation, we've focused our discussion on the healthcare construction industry, where it's evident there's significant benefit to be derived by applying innovative end-to-end information management solutions that drive actions and decisions within the general building process lifecycle, from design, build, operate to disposal. Although the collective SEEDS entry paper is based on a hospital use case, typical problems worth solving are similar across most industry sectors, whether a university campus, office building, hospital, or whatever. Problems we can resolve are not limited to just these big ticket items, but can also address health and safety, compliance, procurement and supply chain performance, cost reductions, improve future design and build programs, and others that will hopefully become apparent as we go through this presentation. Our Think Big, Start Small, Scale Fast approach helps the customer to prioritize their problems, address immediate concerns first, whilst considering best possible return on investment. When you consider lifetime costs, getting an early focus on operate when beginning design should reap enormous dividends. Running a building is typically 80% of the total cost of ownership compared to construction costs. So increased consideration needs to be applied during design to how the facility will operate and perform. This increases the importance of data and information. Information to increase real-time efficiency and effectiveness, for example, energy usage, air quality, lighting levels, compliance, and information to support longer-term strategic decisions, such as people flow, space utilization, sustainability, and supply performance. To this end, use of interconnected, innovative technology that is non-proprietary and will interoperate to deliver more of a seamless outcome is required. Technology to capture the data, validate it, structure it, and make it accessible for operational and strategic use, supporting the principle of a smart hospital. SRO and the ecosystem partners delivers the environment to make smart possible, assisting with how to identify the right data sources during design, sharing, validating, and structuring the right data during construction, and then exploiting the data gathered during operation. This careful management of data, often referred to as the golden thread, supports government soft landings requirements and drives overall benefit for the building operator user. You can see here our partner ecosystem delivers the software and hardware tools and expertise to support the BIM contract process and protocols from the very early design brief stage through to running a facility, ensuring that the required asset information is captured, structured and maintained throughout the REBA stages, i.e. in a common data environment. When in operation, SRO ecosystem combine and integrate our capabilities shown to configure a solution that is unique in the sector today. Being modular, the client gets to decide how they want to consume the capability, safe in the knowledge that any individual module is non-proprietary and will function with other suppliers' capabilities, providing they are open too. If required, the client can choose to start the journey with small steps by undertaking a proof of concept or proof of value exercise. Once proven, then the route to scale fast and reap maximum benefit ASAP is available. The next few slides and video will hopefully give you a better idea of how our collective offering works. Starting on the left-hand side, the cogs represent assets. An asset is anything with actual or potential value to an organisation. An asset costs money to operate and its performance should be measurable. Examples here show them being buildings, rooms, HVACs, lifts, or resource. The blue boxes represent types of sensing we can apply to either transform dumb assets to smart and/or maximize use of existing data from building management systems, SCADA, or other MEP systems. We can now apply some business rules to the data from our now connected assets and either trigger real-time events or gather data trends for corrective, preventative, or condition-based maintenance. Alerts can be in the form of text, email, etc., and visualization of simple dashboards showing trend data as part of a cost-effective control center seen on the bottom right. Alternatively, asset data can be fed into a big data area at the top right, where we can merge in other data sources such as the weather, local traffic, clinical patient flow. Then apply clever analytics and look for trends to determine more refined insights or optimize operational processes. Finally, whether data and triggers fed directly from assets or dashboard or big data sources, events are managed from a now smart asset management core system. From here, we can apply work order management, manage compliance and health and safety, ensure contracts and service level management, manage inventory and ordering of parts, plus also integrate 3D model and respect BIM compliance. Unfortunately, due to NDAs, we couldn't show how these elements have come together for our health sector client that our entry paper is based upon. Nevertheless, the next video shows a previous use case for an industry client. So, what have we just seen in the video? We saw a smart asset management control center from where we manage our work orders, key performance indicators, procurement, etc., and also have a real-time two-way interface to our 3D model. We clicked on the building of interest that we 3D scanned to produce our BIM-ready model. We navigated through the model to assets and points of interest that were producing data through our IoT sensing solutions. Hotspots generated by IoT data or just by routine scheduled maintenance were highlighted for the operator, with asset information made available within a few clicks. For example, work orders, IoT data, health and safety guidelines, product data sheets, etc., with all information being recorded for traceability, audit, key performance indicators, or maintenance change management history. Behind the scenes, data sources were being pulled together to improve preventative maintenance and to generate insights for continuous improvement. As mentioned previously, if this was a new build scenario, we would have made sure data from the CDE, or Common Data Environment, would be integrated and fed into this operational phase. So in summary, the SRO ecosystem approach is tied to supporting business outcomes as shown. We take time with clients to understand and address their immediate problems and look for those quick wins to improve return on investment and deliver a successful project. Our Think Big, Start Small, Scale Fast approach supports clients with understanding the art of the possible, but starts with proof of concepts or proof of value exercises to prove the value of a solution first, and then, when proven, scale up fast for maximum gain. Our approach is modular and future-proofed. Each module uses open, interoperable standards to support integration with other modules or suppliers who are also open and interoperable. And overall collaboration is the key. Our ecosystem of best-in-class partners can support the client through the whole project lifecycle from design to disposal with a modular suite of solutions for the built environment, something we believe is truly unique. This concludes my short overview of the value of smart enterprise asset management in the construction sector by SRO Solutions and our ecosystem. Thank you for your time.